Hey guys, it's Lightning Flash here. Happy 4th of July. It's been a little bit. Finally caught up. First video on the chicks. Happy 4th of July. Hope you guys have a great 4th of July. So now we're gonna get into me showing you guys the chicken coop I built before I left. Okay guys, let's get into it. Let me show you the chicken coop. All right guys, so here's my chicken coop, which was, all the wood was free except for the screen right here. I built this before I left on vacation, which was about, I don't know, I've been back for over a week, and it's been like 15 days since I made a video. I had to build this really fast. I have a tarp on the roof, have a screen on each side. Everything was free except for the screen and the latch, which is kind of just thrown together because it was done fast before I left. Just has a tarp over the top. This, I eventually went out a run to it, but right now it has a screen floor. As you can see, the chicks are doing really good. As you can see, it's just very simple. It's a box. Open it up. They're all gonna try to run out in a second. You can see up there's a light that I have on a hook. And those shavings obviously need cleaned along with the bedding and everything else. And as you can see, the chicks are getting really big and doing great. But there's a screen floor right here in the front. Well, hardware cloth. It's way thicker, or way wider squares than that right there. It's time for the chicks to get their food and water for the day. Let me clean this out a little bit. You're trying to escape. As you can see, the lock's not the best because never was fully designed, but it works. It's pretty much free, so except for the screen and stuff. I built it in 2 different sections. The wood right here is treated. Also got this bag of shavings before I left, or flakes, or whatever it's called. Thank you guys for watching. I am glad to be back up to date. It's been like 15 days since you've seen the chicks in live time, or yeah, something like that, whatever the word is. It's been a while, so I'm glad that we're back to regular time, and there's gonna be another video coming out right after this about the chicks, about how they're doing, and I'm gonna feed them and stuff. Yeah, I'm tired because I just woke up, but once again, happy 4th of July. Okay guys, new videos gonna start pumping out. As always, don't forget to drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Hit that notification bell if you haven't already, and subscribe for more content. And as always, keep it electrified, and I'll see y'all later.